So you need maps and navigation in a country where you don't have cell phone service. I can help you with that. I recently went on a cruise vacation and I needed to be able to use maps and navigation while I was on shore for parts of a day, like 3 or 4 hours. So I didn't really want to have to turn on International Day Pass and incur a extra fee just to use maps and navigation. So Apple Maps offers the ability to download offline maps so that you can use them while you're out and about without cell service. And it works just the same. Okay, so let's start by opening up Apple Maps and navigate to a location where you want to download an offline map. For my tutorial here, I'm going to focus on Costa Rica, and I will zoom in to the city where I believe we have the highest likelihood of porting for that day. Now, what I want to do is zoom in close enough, and I'm just going to find an empty spot, and I'm going to use my finger to drop a pin. Now, with the information card that showed up at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that there is a button to download. If you tap that, it will actually give you the ability to crop down your map to the location as efficiently as you can. Remember, the smaller the map, the smaller the download and data use used on your device. So right now mine is showing up at 222 megabytes. I'll tap download and you'll see that now the download button shows waiting. So it's downloading the map in the background to make it available when I'm offline. And you just saw that it finished downloading and I got the confirmation up there. I guess that would be pronounced limon. We'll find out when I get there, if I get there. So now with this downloaded, once you get to that port and you don't have cell connection, your phone will still use its built-in GPS capabilities to provide mapping and navigation services while you're on shore without your cellular data connection. Hey, real quick, if you're finding this video valuable, click the like button. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and click subscribe. After you've finished your trip, you probably don't want the map still downloaded on your iPhone any longer. So let's go ahead and delete it. In the Maps app, tap your avatar for your account, then tap Offline Maps. Up at the top, you'll see the list of offline maps that are available. So what I'll do is pick one of the older ones that I have on here, and I will scroll down just a little bit to where it says Delete Map, and then I will confirm it by tapping Delete Map again. And it is gone. Also, Maps offers some settings that offer just a little bit more control and configurability of your maps. Let's scroll down to Apps. Let's tap on the M to get down to the M's, and there's Maps. Down here, you'll notice automatic updates. If there are updates to the maps and the ones you have downloaded are affected by those updates, Maps can go ahead and update that information to your downloaded or offline maps. There's also the ability to optimize storage, and this automatically removes offline maps that you haven't used in a while. I don't know how long that is, but if you know you're not going back anytime soon, I would just suggest going ahead, hopping in there in the Maps app and manually deleting the downloaded maps. All right, so there you go. Now you know how to download maps for offline use when you're in a country where you don't have or don't want to use cellular data service. So do you have any key data travel tips for us? Share them down in the comments. We'll let everybody know your best survival tips. And until next time, have fun Stay safe and keep learning.